Madrid, Green Bones.
Bakit may mga katulad ni Zamora may karapatan pa rin mo sa justisya? Dahil ito wala ka.
Khalil Ramos, Fuchsia Libre. Wendell Ramos, Green Bones.
Hindi kasama sa naging corrections officers oath natin ang interrogate natin official dito.
Joel Torre, under Apiyaya Moon.
Good night, my champion!
And the stars for movie supporting actor of the year goes to
Harvey Bautista!
Presenting the PMPC, Police Assistant Secretary, Wilfred Baco.
Wow, hello po. Pagbigyan niyo na po ako, medyo kinakabahan ako. Gusto ko lang po ikwento. A couple years ago, yung first nomination ko for acting was here for BMPC for Best New Child Actor. And that night, yung dad ko yung chaperone. Unfortunately, I lost. But just earlier on the way here, my dad was actually the one who dropped me off. So this award is a full circle moment for me because it feels like everything just came together tonight. So maraming salamat sa PMPC. Thank you, Direk Sig. Thank you, Ate Katsi. This film has taught me so much in terms of technicals and acting and being with an amazing ensemble cast. And yeah, this is everything to me. This is 10 years, 15 years of waiting for this moment. So thank you very much. I will value this night for as long as I can remember. Thank you.
Congratulations! Now everyone starts somewhere. At ang mga new movie actors natin tonight, they're the ones taking their first big leap.
mga fresh talents na hindi lang basta dumaan sa eksena. Hilig at karakter na sa kwento. Narito ang mga nominado for New Movie Actor of the Year.
New Movie Actor of the Year. Luke James Alford, Maple Leaf Dream. John Arsenas, Idol, The April Boy Regino Story. Will Ashley, Balota. Armando R.J. Babon, Phantosmia, Rahil by Ria, Balota.
So, ano yung problema sa'yo? Piling matalino ka eh.
Benedict Cua, Pearl Lockett, K.D. Estrada, Fruitcake.
Of course,
Beaver Magtalas, When Magic Hurts.
Ay, para sa amin ang mga ate. Gagawin ko lahat ng gusto mo.
Aljon Mendoza, Unhappy for You.
Tama, boss. Ipatikin mo sa kanya yung pagiganti mo.
Jeff Moses, Under Apiyaya Moon.
Si Mamang Kagsipapang ang katulog sa akin.
And the star for New Movie Actor of the Year goes to...
Congratulations for a new movie actor of the year. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is the PMPC board member and former president, Roman Gonzalez. Now to honor the filmmakers behind the film Slow, Rhythm and Visual Storytelling. Please welcome the presenters for the technical categories. Rob Quinto and actor-director Dante Balboa.
Kyla Estrada, Unhappy for You.
Oh my god, honestly, I'm embarrassed.
Kay Kurosawa, Gospel. Queen Mercado, Fruitcake.
Pwede nga.
Isabel Sophie Na, Pearl Lockett.
Kandi siya, taya ko, balikat di ko, kuya.
Mutya Orquia, When Magic Hurts.
Kaya ka pala, di makakapunta. Nag-iinisip ka ng dahil. Kumedad ka.
Sofia Pablo, Green Bones, Maxine Trinidad, When Magic Hurts, Kate Yano, Idol, The April Boy Story.
Marami pa namang ibang recording company. Di mo naman sila.
And the star for New Movie Actress of the Year goes to... Kyla Estrada for Unhappy For You.
Presenting the trophy to the PNBC Board of Director, Romel Plasencia.
Good evening, everybody. I just want to say thank you, of course, to PNPC Star Awards for this recognition. I want to also thank ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for giving me the opportunity to be part of this film. And of course, to our director, Peterson Vargas, my co-stars, Joshua, Julia, and the rest of the cast of Unhappy For You for making this film such a joy to shoot. Napakasaya namin shoot yung pelikula na yun, and I'm so glad to be here because of that. I also want to thank, of course, my loved ones and my family and my friends who have held my hand every time I got so anxious about a role. Gusto ko lang po sabihin na nung nagsisimula po ako mag-artista, ang pangarap ko lang po ay maging parte ng maraming pelikula. And I think that this is a sign na paunti-unti na pong natutupad yung mga pangarap ko. So maraming salamat po. Pinag-ibigay ko.
Si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya alam, kahit hindi niya sinasadya. Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome!
Next nominees for the technical categories. Please welcome on stage Julian Richard.